What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Jasmy coin, which is down 2% at 2.1 cents. We're still above the $1 billion market cap. Just been consolidating for over a year. We've gone over it day after day after day. We're finally nearing the point where we'll be seeing some movement to the upside. Thank goodness. You can see the last 30 days we're down 36%. That's actually not bad comparative to a lot of other coins. This actually held really well due to the Bitcoin correction. And now it's time to see that reversal to the upside, guys. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, guys, we're going to be launching Fred on Sol on the 22nd. So next Saturday, we actually had launched the NFTs today. The NFTs, 50% of the total supply is going to be airdropped to the NFT holders. So if you're interested in the NFTs, they're 0.05 Sol each, and you can find the link below in the description. You can have up to 20 of them, which is 2% of the total supply airdrop to you. Absolutely insane. $200, and you can have 2% of the total supply airdrop to you. But right now, let's get into Jasmy. Jasmy right now is not looking bad. Day chart here, yes, we haven't seen any large bullish movement here on the MACD, but if you look at the bearish movement since December 2024, each one of these has been lower than the previous one. So even if we are a little less bullish today with the lighter green candle, if we do flip bearish, it's going to be very minimal. It's not going to go below that, in my personal opinion. And then eventually, once we narrow out and it's just a flat line, that's when we're going to start seeing that big reversal to the upside on the MACD. This big line that which we drew, which we've gone over 100 different times, about that 2 cents area, is still holding strong for Jasmy. On top of that, we also have a higher low that got put in here on the RSI, which is showing a sign of a reversal taking place. The WTX as well put in a higher low, and then the big one, the stock RSI, is still running. Blue is way over the orange right now, which is showing massive bullishness here. So what we're gonna be looking for Jasmy in the short term, we do have the downtrend resistance area to contend with. So I wouldn't be surprised when in this upcoming week we do get back up to 2.7, which would be testing this downtrend resistance area. And then if we have the momentum, we'll finally see a breakout from that point on and work our way back up to 5.5. Like we talked about several different times before, we are kind of in an expanding wedge pattern, as you can see, which is kind of saying that next rally to the upside. You can see we had the rally up here, we topped out, we had the secondary rally topped out, third rally topped out. The next rally should be bringing us up to about 12 cents here at about the 786. Then hopefully once we break that, that's when it's to infinity and beyond. We can start printing $1 plus for Jasmy. But yeah, the next big rally that Jasmy has is most likely going to bring it up to that 10 to 12 cents range. And then you're going to be looking back at this, be man, I wish I would have bought it at 2 cents, right? With a small market cap, only a $1 billion market cap, guys. So going up to 12 cents is super easily doable on Jasmy. Short-term time frames kind of confirm that as well. Short-term time frames reset. If you look at the stock RSI, blue is below orange, but we are at a normal bottom for the stock RSI, along with the normal RSI has been putting in a higher low. So in my personal opinion, 2 cents is holding very strongly, and eventually we're going to be seeing that reversal back up to 2.5. So I just have buy-in orders at 2 cents, and every time Jasmy hits 2 cents, I just pick up a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. I just keep stacking at that 2 cents because it's a multi-year support area. There's a lot of confluence around that general price range of 2 cents. So I think that should be the area to focus on, and I think that is the most optimal time to buy it in. Just have a buy order at 2 cents. It hits it, it fills it. Put another one, hits it, fills it, hits it, fills it, and then we can start rocketing to the moon. Because once we start taking off, people are to look back at this and be like, man, look at that year of testing that 2 cents area that I could have DCA'd in before we shot up to 10 cents. So it's just a waiting game, guys. It's just a waiting game. We don't have that much longer. We talked about the giant cup and handle pattern. I really don't know what else to talk about here on Jasmy. It's pretty much just waiting. Just waiting. We got the giant cup and handle playing out here. Eventually we're to see that breakout and just that absolutely volatile movement to the upside, and hopefully sending this to $1 plus. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.